Hi, my name is Chris Dival. I'm a team leader of Game Over Studios. Our game is called Smile, and we're based out here in Brighton. I'm a 3D artist and a bit of a designer as well.
Okay, so the game we're developing is called Smile. It's a third-person survival adventure set in New Zealand and inspired by various different Maori legends and mythology. Throughout the game, our core mechanic is going to be an in-game reflection system that's based on portals, and we're using traditional-based Maori melee combat. Just now I'm in charge of creating the environment, and we're working on, we've got about 2 out of 3 environments done already. The first one is this. It's a small Maori village across a little riverside. Okay, and we're on to the second one as well. We've got a little bit of the outback here. The third environment we'll be moving on to after this is going to be a small section of the backyard of a built-up area. It's called Tapawera.
This is the base textures for the first environment. There are 5 in total, as you can see here. And what I'm doing at the moment is, after planning mapping all of the textures on, I'm now sorting out any problems, which you can see here.
So we come into level 1 and we start in the village. You can have a look around and you can see we've got some little reflections set up. They're not dynamic yet, but they will be at the end. They're just there so you can see what's going to be happening. So we've got a little fire. There's another reflection around here on that window. So the first thing that the player's going to need to do when he's in the village, they'll have a little look around. Eventually, they'll find their way into this little hut here. They'll walk in. This is going to be the little girl, Yay, who's going to run around there when you walk in. So you'll see her and you'll be like, ah, where's she gone? So you'll want to run around and see where she goes. You'll notice that this reflection has changed into a picture. That's going to be a picture which is pointing to a pot over there with the girl standing next to it. So you're going to want to run and go see what's going on over there. And then you look in here and it's like, oh look, there's another reflection that's changed. Looking up from a tree. Think, well, the only tree in the village is back over there again. So we're going to want to run back over here. You can now see that that's changed as well. That's going to be a picture going towards the gate, and you could be able to see the girl standing there as well.
Hello, my name's Owen. I'm a third-year games development student. In fact, we're all third-year games development students at Dundalk Institute of Technology. We're Team Infection Vector and I'm the team leader. We're developing over this summer the Manhattan Strain, which is a strategy game centered around a viral outbreak in New York City. I'll be looking after the artificial intelligence for all our little characters. This is Chris.
Hi, I'm Chris, obviously, and I'm doing 3D modeling, texturing and animation for the game.
I'm David, I'm doing 3D modeling, programming and the business manager of the game.
Hi there, I'm Kieran Cullen. I'm doing the main programming of the mechanics of the game.
I'm Ben and I'll be responsible for the sound and UI in the game.
So we're all very excited to be here, and I suppose what we're looking for from somewhere is, I suppose, just to create, a good, enjoyable game that people at Protoplay will like playing, as well as to gain the experience from making a project this size and from working with professionals already in the industry. And that's us.
Hi, this is Dare Team Kieran, and we are recording this video in Dundee Hosting Center. This is our team. We came from China and we are all students from University of Aberdeen, Dundee. Our game is called World of Champions. The idea is by using color mixing to attack your opponents. This is an action role-playing game. Our highlight feature is, instead of using ordinary RPG elements like ordinary weapons, you have to use color spheres to affect the opponents. For example, you have to think a complementary color to attack your enemy. So you always have to think the best color to use. You always have to figure out what tactics to use. There's no perfect solution in our game.
Now let's take a look at our game development. Last week we add all the ball skills. So when you are attacked, you will no longer be damaged. You will be affected by the skills. Now player 1 has been blind, so you can see these special visual effects. Now he's turning back. We also have teleportation, stun, oh, this is stun effect, so that player cannot move for a short period of time.
Game name is Springo, and the target audience for the game is below 13 years. So the complete game goes inside a small kid's playroom.
Our game idea is aimed at young kids effectively, so it's 13 years and below, and it's a casual type game where Santa gives this kid a toy on Christmas Eve, and he's playing with the toy and he falls and he breaks it, and because Santa gave him it, the toy comes to life and the game starts and you're the toy, but you're in bits because you're broken, and you have to go around the room, bouncing around the room because you're a spring-based toy, so you bounce around and you bounce around picking up your body parts and stuff and doing other things, so the room's really big compared to you, and you have to collect all your body parts, and then that's the game done.
This is our main character, Springo. And this is a example level that we are trying it out, and there seems to be a lot of problem with this, and this is the proportion of our character according to the level, and even this week we got a joystick program, and you can see how it goes. So we are checking the models for collisions. We have all basic entities finished, modeling and texturing. Yeah, here the textures are not there because I'm checking for the collisions.
Hi, we are Less Lethal Games here at Goldsmith. We're making Captain Cannonball. I'm Callie, the team leader.
My name is Josh.
My name is Eric. Hello.
My name is Rohan.
And I'm Alan.
It's set in the Rumdrum Galaxy, which is a fantasy space pirate-esque galaxy where the game will be going on.
Progress has been good this week. Finished all placeholders today, just earlier. So now we can crack on and paint our beautiful levels thanks to Rohan's simple engine.
We've basically finished the level editing tool today. There's not going to be any changes made to that. And we've started cracking on the engine. We can run around the environments and everything. We can load up our terrains and stuff. So yeah, now it's just a question of adding properties to objects and scripting events, basically.
Progress has been going really well, actually. Sort of managed to finish off all the main humanoid characters in the last week. So they're all ready and they're being unwrapped by Alan, textures applied, and I'm going to start sculpting the major detail and getting them rigged for animation.
I've gotten a couple of the models unwrapped. I've started painting some textures, and I'm almost finished with all the character model sheets, so we can get on with the levels and the more critical environmental assets.
Progress this week has been pretty good. We're sort of trucking away slowly, and I think next week is when we'll gather all the parts that we have and try to make something playable.